This is our week 8, day 2 science activity. It's called Homes. It says, in nature, many creatures have their own special places to live. And so what I want you to do is I just want you to draw a line to match each animal to its home. So we'll start with number 1. This is a bird, and a bird lives in a tree. So we matched it with the tree. Okay, a snake lives under a rock. So we are going to put our snake under a rock. Our bat here lives in a cave. So we are going to match him up with the cave. And then our swan here lives on the lake. Go ahead and assess yourself and do numbers 5 through 7 by yourself. So to create our animal habitats, I wanted to make sure I gave you as many animals as possible to choose from. If you would like to choose doing the paper copies and coloring them and then putting them into your animal habitats. Okay, so we've got some ocean animals here. And then there's more ocean life if you wanted to make an ocean one. You've got some options of some farm animals and a little bit more ocean ones. They're a little bit smaller if you wanted to make a smaller poster. Got some birds on here if you wanted to make an environment for your birds. Got a deer, a whale, a seal, a snake, an alligator, some seahorses, some manta rays, jellyfish, and then we've got desert animals. Sometimes they'll have the title at the top, so you'll be able to know where these animals live. You can just cut those boxes out and put those animals in their habitats. So there's some more desert dwellers. Then we got rainforest animals. More rainforest animals. Grassland animal patterns. More grassland. So as you can see, you have a huge variety of animals that you can use for your posters. You can also use a stuffed animal if you would like, and I'm going to show you how you can do that here in a little bit. Let me show you some examples of some animal habitats that you can make. So for your animal environment or animal habitat, you are going to choose an environment that you would like to study. So you can choose ocean animals, woodland animals, desert animals, rainforest animals. It's whatever you would like to choose to create your habitat. And as I've said before, I showed you all of the papers with the many different options of animals that you can use. And you can also use your stuffed animals if you would like to. So what you're going to do is choose an animal that you would like to study or a variety of animals that live in the same habitat that you would like to study, and you're going to create an environment that the animals can live in. For your environment, you can use a poster, piece of paper, a shoebox, or anything that you would like to create your own environment. So I'm going to show you a few examples of those environments you can make. This is the ocean animals. So this is ocean life. See, we've got a crab down here. We've got a seahorse in the seaweed. We've got a starfish on his rock. We've got some fish in the ocean. We've got a big blue whale right here. They are all in their environment. You can also do something like this. So I have a picture. It says my house up here. Here's the backyard of my house, and this is my dog. Okay, so the dog has a dog house. My dog also comes in the house with me as well, so that's why I have that up there. My dog has some food and some water right here. So this is the habitat for my dog. So you can create one for your pet as well if you would like to. Here's another one that I did. This is a toucan, and he lives in the tree in the rainforest. So I used my toilet paper roll, as you can see, and I just glued my piece of construction paper that's green on there, and I colored my toucan and I stuck him in the tree because that's his environment or his habitat. My last example is I used my stuffed animal of my tiger right here, and he is in his environment of the forest as well. So I've got a bunch of trees all around here, and I've got some water for him to drink. He is just happy in his environment. So those are some of my examples. I would like for you to work on this all week. It will be due Thursday, and I would like you to take pictures of your environments and send them to me via reminder email.